Hi, my name is Philip, your intuitive analyst. Today we are looking at the debt report, and this is a 5-page dashboard. So the first report talks about the trend of central government debt. Uh, so the first chart shows the trend of central government debt from 1950 to the 1940-54 by countries rather. And also the next chart also shows the trend of central government debt from 2001 to 2005 by the countries, and also trend of central government debt from 1966 to 1970 by the countries, and trend of central government debt from 2018 to 2022 by country. So this dashboard only presents the debt for central government. So the next dashboard talks about a different debt, which is the general government debt. So this is from range of 1950 to 1954 by the countries also. As you can see, the country with the highest debt is United Kingdom for this, and also trend of general government debt from 1966 to 1970 by countries, and the country is also the United Kingdom. And here also we have the trend of general government debt from 2001 to 2005 by country, and the country with the highest is Japan at this time. And also we have the trend of general government debt from 2018 to 2022 by country, and the country is Japan also. For the next page, we also have the trend of household debts. So these are just general household debts by countries, and also we have the first one as from 1950 to 1954, and the country here is Sweden. The trend of household debt by 1966 to 1970 by countries is United States. Also from 2001 to 2005 by countries is Switzerland, and from 2018 is also Switzerland to 2022. Also the next dashboard showcase the non-financial corporate debt. So this shows the from 1950 to 1954, and the country we have here is United States. The from 1966 to 1970 we have Japan, and from 2001 to 2005 we have Cyprus, and from 2018 we have Luxembourg. Also for the last dashboard we have the private debt, and from 1950 to 1954 we have the Switzerland, and also we on the 1966 to 1970 chart we have the Switzerland, and from private debt for the 2001 to 2005 we have Cyprus also, and for 2018 to 2022 we have Luxembourg. So that is the report of the dashboard presenting the debt report. And thank you for watching. That's all for now.